Hello, I'm Lisa. In this video I will show you how to keep in the SaveToFuture secure capsules the keys to your Ethereum wallet with NFT, and the NFT masterpiece itself. Are you bought an NFT, or about to buy? Congratulations! However, are you sure your NFT investment is safe from disappearing? We know hundreds of stories about crypto assets, including NFT, were stolen. And stories when the actual NFT masterpiece were deleted or not accessible anymore. Remember, if you don't have personal copy of the NFT, you don't have that NFT. And not your key to the Ethereum wallet, not your NFT. Luckily you have a SaveToFuture service. Firstly, register at SaveToFuture. How to sign up for SaveToFuture service you can learn in another video on our channel. To seal in the capsule my NFT and wallet keys I need to create a new one. I give a name to this secure capsule. And I will seal it in SaveToFuture for 5 years. Next step. Now I'm uploading the NFT itself. And the file with the key to my Ethereum wallet where I store the NFT token. Here you can see the size of each uploaded file. If needed, you can delete any file and add more files to the capsule. At this step I will choose when I want the capsule to be opened. I leave as is, at the end of the storage period. Next, after opening the capsule, I want the files to be sent to me personally. Next. Checkbox I will not be allowed to remove this capsule. Please read the text carefully, and finally seal capsule. Now my files are encrypted. I am ready to pay for the storage period. I will pay in Ethereum Ether. Here is how much to pay in ETH. Here is your Ethereum address where to send payment. I will pay by scanning the QR code.
You can use any Ethereum wallet app or send ETH from an exchange.
Here it is my capsule with files. It is marked as unpaid because it takes a few minutes to process Ethereum payments. We can view the capsule details. The end date of storage period. The encrypted and sealed files. My email is addressee where to send after files unsealed. Let's see if the payment has already arrived in my SaveToFuture account. Yes, the payment credited. I also can check it on the My Profile page. And in the payments history. Since I sent more ETH than required, the capsule was not automatically paid. I will pay for the capsule from my SaveToFuture account balance. My current balance is sufficient to pay the amount due. Click Pay. Well done. Now my files are securely encrypted, sealed in a capsule, and will be securely stored for 5 years.